Let's make a 3 ingredients simple cake. I have taken 4 packets of Bonvita biscuits. You can take any other biscuit you like. Let's start by breaking the biscuits. Now grind them to fine powder. Remove the biscuit powder in a bowl. To this add half teaspoon of baking powder. Mix well. Now gradually add 1 cup of milk at room temperature. Add little milk and mix it. Now add the milk again. Mix well till it becomes smooth paste. Now take a non-stick pan. Need not apply any oil or butter to it. Place a butter paper. And this will do the job. Now add the cake mixture to the pan. Place the lid. Heat an old pan on medium heat for 10 minutes. Place the pan and cook for 15 minutes. You can check with a knife if it's completely done. Let it cool completely. Now remove the cake in a plate. The cake is soft and perfect. Butter paper from the cake. Cut the sides of the cake. And cut it into 4 parts. Now add chocolate ganache on top. This is optional. You can also serve the cake as it is. I have decorated it with white chocolate and cherries. See you soon with another interesting recipe. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel.